In the high-stakes world of oil and gas, there's no room for error. Every project, every decision, and every action could mean the difference between success and failure. That's why it is essential for anyone working in the oil and gas industry, whether as a project quality manager, engineer, or inspector, to obtain a project quality professional certification from the Institute for Oil and Gas Sector. The comprehensive Project Quality Professional Certification course is designed for newcomers to project quality management, as well as working professionals looking to expand their quality management knowledge and skills and take their careers to the next level. In just 11 course modules covering topics such as project quality management, inspection and testing, quality assurance and quality control, auditing, cost of quality, non-conformances, and much more, you'll learn what it takes to plan, manage, and control quality and lead project teams to success. And on successful completion of the course, the Institute for Oil and Gas Sector will issue you the Project Quality Professional Certification as a symbol of your commitment to quality in the oil and gas industry. You'll also receive lifetime access to our course materials and module to ensure you succeed in the oil and gas industry for years to come. Enroll now and get started.